We created a technological process per the customer's request, including a one-component PUR adhesive application, assembling panels, and pressing. A new model of the SPL-10 sandwich panel production line is additionally equipped with scissors lift, with an automatic roller conveyor to help in assembling the panel's stacks. You can adjust the glue applying area's dimensions. Having assembled, a stack of the panels goes automatically to the empty pneumatic press. After pressing, the stack of the panels goes to the unloading area to be taken with a forklift.
Contact us, and we will help you to create your technological process. Follow us in the description below.